students, welcome to Ekta's Science Education class. Right way, right learning is the motto of this class. Today we are going to learn about the primary classes. The topic we are going to learn is the work people do, or in short the community helpers. But before we start the chapter or before we start the topic, do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel to your more and more friends so that we can share the knowledge, we can gain the knowledge. Okay students, and also press the bell icon so that you will get the latest update of the videos. Okay, without wasting time, let's start for the today's topic, that is work people do. Different kind of the people, they do the different kind of a work, or we will learn about the community helpers. Now we know that the people hired or doing some domestic work such as cleaning clothes, utensil, gardening, cooking food, or all of these jobs, such persons are said to be the domestic workers. Also we know that nowadays the ladies are working outside, they are having their own jobs, so because of that the ladies appointed some of the domestic helpers, like for the cleaning, for the washing, for the washing of the utensils, washing clothes, then babysitters, then taking cares like nurses, they are appointing for making food at home and for the different work. So such a worker, those who are working at home, they are the domestic workers, they are the domestic workers. Okay, then afterward there are some people, those who are working outside the home, like we are students, possibly you are going when to the school, there are some bus drivers, they take you from the house to the school and again from the school to the home. So drivers are they carry the people from one place to another, again from to and fro. Okay, so they are the driver, the bus driver. So we are going to learn about the people where they are making our lives more and more easy by helping us. So those people we are said to be the community helpers. Okay, so next we are going to learn about the gardener. These people we can appointed at home also, at the domestic workers also, as a domestic worker also. So a driver, gardener, these are all said to be the domestic workers. Gardener, what the work of the gardener? Gardener take cares of the plants, giving water to the plants, taking care of all the sorts of the plants. Then next is the security guard. What is the function or the duty of the security guard? The To take care of the people, of the things, of the building, or the more important or the valuable things, to take care, to protect the valuable things. So this is the duty of the security guard. The security of the people, of the person, of the thing is on the basis of the security guard. Then we are going to learn about the people that work outside the home. They are not the domestic helpers, they are working outside the home. There are many different kinds of the jobs that people do outside home. Okay, and they are the jobs, and this is a kind of a job, like few jobs require more manual labor and particular skill. Here in this job they need a special kind of a manual labor, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है, और particular skill also. For example, tailor, cobbler, plumber, carpenter. For example, if we take the tailor, there is a laborious work to sit on a continuous on a one place and stitch the cloths. That's not an easy task, and there is a need of a special skill. There is a special skill is needed, the special kind of a training is needed, correct? So it's a skill, we can say it's a skill. Instead of the training, it's a skill. The tailor stitches the clothes. Next, cobbler mends the shoes. There is also a laborious task and needs a special skill to mend the shoes. Next we will see, this is again a cobbler. And plumber, what is the duty of the plumber? To fix the broken pipes, taps, and all the different things. Okay, so here also the task is quite laborious and needs a special kind of a skill, and with the special kind of apparatus as well. Here you can see the person is having a special kind of apparatus to fix the broken pipes and taps. Then carpenter needs the carpenter's job is also one of the very laborious job and needs a special kind of a skill and special kind of a apparatus as well. Mason build the house, needs a skill and needs a special kind of a instrument, a special kind of the things for the job to be done, to be completed. Okay, now there are some special job that do not require as manual labor. ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं लगती है, but they require what? They require more of the mental work and training. They need, instead of the physical work, they will have the mental work and the training they will need. For example, teacher, doctor, nurses, architect, pilots, and so on. So now there are some people like teacher, doctor, nurses, they are having mental kind of a work instead of physical work. They are working mentally, they are having the mental kind of a work. So, and they will need the special kind of a training. Like teachers undergo training, doctors undergo 5 years of the degree, they learn, they practice, and then they are finally starting their job. Okay, like these people, you should also help your parents or family members at home. Like very simple task you can do, like keeping the things on the place, then gardening, like giving water to the plants. These are simple kind of a job that you can do. Also you can give your grandparents, you can help them by giving them the simple things on their hand, in their hand. Then you can give them glass of water, you can give them newspaper, you can read the news for them. Then you can help them while crossing the road, you can help them by taking from one place to another place. Okay, so these kind of things you can do for them. Also we can help them, you can community, or you can have your cousin, brother, sister assemble at one place and keeping the things proper, arranging the things proper. So this is something what you can do at your home. Okay, but there are some people, those who are facing a lot of problem, lot of trouble in their life. How now we know that small kids are like, their life is like enjoying, playing, and doing whatever they want, not this task, not this laborious task. They don't need, their life is like this, but not this, correct? So this is something, it is called as a child labor, because of the family problem or family stress, or because of the lack of financial condition. Because of lack of financial condition, they are forced to fall into this kind of a laborious job. I think this should be stopped in everywhere, in every part of the world which is going on. It should be stopped, because the small kids are not made to do this laborious task. In their small hands are not made to carry such kind of a heavy things in this very small age. Okay, so some of the because of financial problem, only some of the kids, they undergo such kind of a begging process. They beg on the road, they sell something on the road, and they earn for their daily livelihood. Okay, so this is something again we said as a child labor, which should be stopped, which should be banned. Okay, this is something that stop child labor. If you see in your surrounding any small child who is working, just tell your parents to help them, to help out that child, and you can also help that child. So stop child labor, which is these things we are learning in this chapter. I hope you understood this chapter. Just do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Again, see the video once or twice or thrice, you will get the things very easy. Okay students, hope, bye bye.